Well, I'm starting to get used to my Dacia Duster now. I've only ever seen another 4 of these on the road. They're exclusive, really, which means they're more exclusive than a Ferrari. One thing annoys me, though, is there's a squeak in the car, a really annoying squeak. Yeah, this is you. Squeak, 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 squeak everywhere we go. Squeak! Oh, come on, Reginald, it was just a joke. Look, I didn't mean it, right? It's just a joke. Okay, I apologise. Well, where do you want to go? Alton Towers? Oh, okay. I can use the cruise control on the way. Put your seatbelt on.